Hello everyone, welcome to Simon 2. Today Simon go to the job site and do some one of my friends last night 5 o'clock rang me up and say the car wouldn't start. So I concerned about the fuel pump, so I prepared a fuel pump on the job site today and I'm driving about 30 k's. I got my water, coffee, electrical, extra fuel pump, extra fuel pump, extra fuel pumps, and hopefully I get it work for them, because Marathon day I couldn't get any supply from my friends. So I drive the car in here and then we put the parts on the car, warm up the car, and we get bookie. And not very good day for me because it looked like raining. But anyway, I already promised him and have to go and help them out. So we try to bring the car in and start up the car, and when we get there, and we will show you, okay? Okay, let's hurry because I'm a little bit late today because very late. My gear, driver license, check, food, all the equipment here, and my coffee, and the good thing is I need my snack because I haven't got any breakfast yet. So busy. So now I'm going and cruising about 30 km. I hope the traffic not that much, and hopefully I get there. Now it's about 9 o'clock. Hopefully I get there at 10 o'clock, and got to be correct time for them, and don't make them wait. So they sent me a message yesterday and we're driving to there. Okay, we got to the job site, but this is the wrong trucks. I go to the other one in the corner he put somewhere, and this is the new development place, and really nice, all new houses. It took me 45-minute drive here, and this is really nice actually. I go one laps and show you that. Onto War Docks Road, and left onto Hartlepool Road. Yeah, they're all new houses here, new building areas. No one live here yet, but I'm the first person drive here. I wish. Anyway, can buy a house here in Australia. Nice place, quiet. And he work here, but the car he parked somewhere. Now I have to looking for the car for him. Oh, someone already live here, and they want to put the concrete around. Arrive. Okay, arrive, but I don't know where the car is. Okay, I don't know where his car is. Here, where he said he parked the car everywhere. Where the car? Oh, here we go. He got his car here somewhere. I press the alarm. See, go on. Oh, here we go. Hopefully I park here and see how it go. I checking, see this one the right car. Yeah, I don't know where can I park the car, man. It's very ridiculous. I may go up on the driveway. I don't want to park here. Yep, park here on the driveway. Hopefully. Okay, we got the key. And this is new building area too, and very nice place actually. I love it. Okay, let's go down and check the car, see if they give me the right key and right car, and hopefully easy, because it's not easy at all for this car. Is it's laid right down here, and right in that corner is the pump, but I have to see whether right or not. I have to beautiful places. Terrible painting car. Okay, we put on the here and we try to crank and see what happened. Okay, okay. It's funny. It's very funny. It's going to start, but not enough fuel or something. Very funny. Okay, we're checking throttle body. See if we can check for this, and we see the oil level. Oil a little bit low. for you. Yeah, right there. It's all right. Check water. Water good. Okay. Good. Let's check the fuel line. The fuel line coming in. The fuel line. Ah, shit! Press out. Okay. Now we turn on the key. We're gonna smell. Okay, we turn on the key. See how fast the pump is going up. Let's see. Okay. So how fast the pump is. You got the pump there, but like it's not like in the pressure. See? Yeah, it's not enough pressure. You should see the you should see the pump. The pump right up, but look like not enough pressure here. Yeah, very little, tiny dots. Anyway, put it back and get a new pump. And yeah, that side of the fuel, the car want to start. That means it got spark and everything, but it haven't got enough fuel pressure in here. And we try to pull the pump out. For this car, very easy. So undo the clip, don't lose the clip. And this one a bit low, watch out for your head. And no room at all. And you see here, so undo here. And put your opener and take off this one. Get my tools ready, and flat screwdrivers, and the circlip picker. Okay, we got to get this one. We got to get this one, and we talk later. Okay, we got to get the tank opener and circlip. This one we do need this one. That's all we need. This one, yep. And let's see how we open up. Hopefully easy. Okay, it's a bit cold today. It's start to get in winter in Australia, and a bit windy. I feel cold in my ass. So this one, same as the previous videos I got on the hilux. What's this one? Dig it out. Oh shit! It's hot, man. It's been staying here so long, that's why. That's why it's hard. Okay, press it. Okay. What can I do here? Push it down. Put it back, and lift it up. Oh man. Yep. It's hot. Okay, leave it there. Okay, you know the member. First one there. Second one there. Like that. Okay. And both come out. Don't break it. Don't break it. Can find another one. You know what you do is, if you got a bigger flat screwdriver, it's better. But I don't have big one. I'm lazy. I'm a lazy cow, right? I'm a lazy cow. Okay. Go all the way. Put it in the box here. Okay. Put this one down. All the way. Yep. Put it there. Very important, don't lose it. Oh shit. Oh, it sounds like thunder, lightning, got air pressure. Okay, now we're gonna line them up with all this. Okay, we're gonna line them all up. Loose them out. Loose them out. Okay, make sure it's all lined up and all tie them up. Okay, don't let any leg come loose like this. Them go loose, none of them go loose. And then try to put this one on. If not, I may have to spray some greaser in and try to get it out. Hopefully I can get it out. See, it's very hot. Fuck me. Now I get some degrees of spray in here, see what happened. Oh. Where's my key? Spray some in here so they become loose, and I can turn it out. Hopefully easy job. Now grab myself coffee. Coffee is the best. Hot coffee, cold weather. Enjoy the moment of my life working on the job site. Only one day when I die, and all this view we show to you, and you guys would know how Simon work like and how's my life like. Work on the job site every day, mostly, and driving long distance. Now I enjoy my coffee, and yeah, really enjoy. A snip of coffee and come back to work, mate. Nice coffee, nice coffee. Okay, second try. Oh man, really no room at all, mate. Oh man, my hand. We're gonna get my soda in. Really easy. No far out. You see, man. Shit. You see it pop up like rice paper. Sound very scary, but lucky I'm strong. Lucky I'm a strong man. Yeah, slowly, okay? Slowly. Slowly we get the result. Bingo! See? Normally when you open this one, mostly 90%, this cap is broken because we have to smash it out, because no way in the world we can take it out. But today I'm very lucky because the car got the tray and this plastic still very good. Normally all other plastic all cracked and broken because the weather is broken, so we can't get it out. So but today get a good tricks. I learned a little bit more and get a little bit smarter with these tricks. Work well. Yeah, we spray a bit of degreaser on and it do the job. Okay, we take this one out and bring the pump outside, and we see if we can get something to go in, because I don't have parts today. I only got some of my aftermarket one because the my supplier says have a day off today. Okay, clean them all out before put on. Should be alright, no worry. Spray a bit of that, and you see the O-ring here, most important. Later that O-ring got to go down like that, okay? And you can do anything. Okay, hopefully I got that out my head. Hopefully I get him out. Oh man, I banged my head on the car. I go crazy now. I go around the world now. Go crazy around the world, go around the world for nothing. See, this is really difficult. We need just a little bit more by someone who got very muscle leg. I hop my whole body in there. And my whole body go in there. Yep. That's all we need, man. We need to squeeze down a little bit, and how we go. Okay, we put it one there, and we will see. Check for any wire loose or anything. Okay. 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 Okay, we take up, and we may have to using aftermarket one. Anyway, a bit of experience, and knowledge for you guys. What we found here, what we found today, we're happy for let you guys see and help you guys out in future. Okay, hold on. Now go home. Look like everything working good. Now we go for test drive. And when I pick up my tools and ready to go home. And that's it. That's how Simon repair tools. And now he got test drive the car. Put this one down. Now we got test drive. Yeah, car go good and happy to go home. Everything worked successful. Now we go home. Really good and drive the car away. And it's working good. Okay, now they are about to about time to go home. Really put my Australian hat back and we go home. Thanks for watching Simon Tools.